Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of What the Chart Says. We'll be reviewing the stock of Nestle. It's one of the stocks that the international investors are looking at now, and I'm sure investments have already been done, and there might still be some opportunities somewhere. As the market is going down, there are some opportunities coming up. Let's see what Nestle has in stock. But before we go further, we advise you to go and check out what we just released. That is the sentiment, market sentiment for Nigerian Stock Exchange. Before coming here, take a few minutes to check that video because of the sentiment now. Do you want to invest right now or not? The sentiment video will tell you further. All right, let's go further. In terms of our disclaimer, just know that past performance does not guarantee future results. This is just an educative and informative program or video. If you want to make any trading decision or investment decision, consult your financial advisor. Thank you. We'll be looking at the chart now. Let's go straight to the chart of Nestle. This is the daily chart for Nestle. While the whole market is falling, Nestle is found is bearing and is making higher highs. It's really trending high. Let's start from the monthly actually. Before we come to the daily, let's see what is happening in the month. It's a good stock. It's making high highs and higher lows. So it's a good. Let's draw the trend line. That's the trend line for the stocks. And what is it telling us? Okay, what we can gather now is the stock has just broken the swing low here, made a new low. That's a medium time, but for a long time view, it's making her high. It's just broken. Let me draw the horizontal line. This is swing low. Sorry. Another swing low is down up here. That's where possibility for reversal to take place. And the market on the monthly has been bullish since April, and for this month it went down just 3 days. Wow, that's a large range. Okay, so for now I can see some level of rejection from here up to, you can test this level, but I doubt it. I don't know, but I doubt it actually. To this level, that's from 1302 to 14773 thereabouts. Let me remove this line and shade this level. The stock, we found it a bit challenging to overcome, except we have a lot of volume. Let's see the monthly volume is obvious. Let's see the volume here. That's 10 million, 3 million, 1 million. Okay, we've not finished July. So at the market, it's rising, as the stock is rising, the volume is reducing, so the power is slowing down. It's slowing down gradually, so it will be a bit challenging to overcome this level. It might reverse. It will Well, don't let me say it will. It's likely to reverse at this shaded level. However, where can there be any further opportunity? If it reverses at that level, you can see some level here. That's 975 to. You can stop. That's too shallow. Yeah, we'll be looking at between 1000 and 975, or you can do something like this to uh, bounce here, and test the trend line again. If the trend line is good, then start moving up. However, um, market structure is good. So for the stock to continue higher highs, it needs to break this level. That is increasing the volume. If the volume is high, is increased, probably it will be easy to overcome this resistance. However, what I see from last month, even from May, the volume is decreasing as the price is rising. So most likely it will reverse somewhere around here, most likely. But for now, as the market sentiment is bad, the volume is low, there is high possibility for the stock to reverse around here. High possibility. Okay, that is the monthly. Monthly is very good. It's looking good. It's looking very good. Let me put the line back so that we know what's on the lower time frame. Minimum this level, that's where the liquidity is. Let's go to the weekly. Wow. Okay, for the weekly, interesting. For the weekly, what I see, the market might actually test this level. That's 1450. 1450. We have strong bulls last week, but the volume is higher than the previous. Oh, wait a minute. 29.6 to 6. The volume is low. Okay, now we're standing, but the candle is very bullish. That's a rejection. It tried to fall, then boost, turn it up again. Yeah, as we said on the monthly is more powerful than the weekly actually. So I still stick to my monthly view. That's the minimum to get to. So the stock needs to overcome this level to go higher. So if it rally above the resistance, then test it again, and if it's rejected, then that would be a good one for the market to continue high. But for now, from all indication, the volume is getting low as the price is going higher, and the market regionally is not good. Let's see. But at this level, I see some possibility of reversal. That is the analysis for Nestle. The volume is decreasing even on the weekly and the monthly. Let's see the daily view. I don't like this data. It's not. It's just some lines here and there. So I stick to the weekly. So let's see what happens next week. Next weekend we might come back to review Nestle again to see what happened at the end of next week. Ladies and gentlemen, wait for look out for the remaining eight stocks that the international investors are looking at. This is the first one. Look out for the remaining eight. I mentioned them in the video for sentiments on sentiments. So thank you. If you have any comments, drop it below and remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.